my dears, how are you? I believe everyone knows that cloves have several benefits. They are extremely nutritious and full of medicinal properties, antioxidants, and prevent premature aging. And today, I'm going to talk about clove water, what it can really do for your health if you follow the treatment for at least 21 days. Just so you understand better, a natural food, in order to start bringing benefits, needs to be introduced into the diet for many days until it starts to treat the body as a whole. This highly concentrated mixture, or taking it only once a week, is no use. If you need to improve the condition of your intestines, have a lot of flatulence, constipation, or even joint pain, or need to detox your body, this is the combination you need to ingest for at least 21 days. There is a right way to make and drink clove water, and there are also contraindications. This means that not everyone can use it. So stay until the end, because I will give you valuable tips and different ways to consume clove water to improve your overall health or prevent diseases. This is not about a miracle effect or a fad diet. We are talking about phytotherapeutic properties. That is, the medicinal properties of a food that has been used by humanity as a natural medicine for millennia. This content is seriously committed to the truth, and all the information I will present to you is based on scientific articles and studies, and I will leave the bibliographical references in the video description. I am Anamaria, and you are on the doctor's tips. Anamaria. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Share this knowledge. The first thing that clove water does is combat pain and inflammation because of the anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of cloves. Eugenol is the oil present in it, and when it is released, it has that dentist smell. And it is this substance that makes cloves so powerful in combating various types of pain. But if your pain is chronic, drinking clove water every day will reduce inflammation in the painful areas over the course of a few days and prevent you from having to take an anti-inflammatory medication, which puts a strain on your kidneys and liver. A scientific study published in 2009 by CIDER showed that the eugenol present in cloves had strong antioxidant and antimicrobial activity. This explains the anti-inflammatory power of cloves to relieve pain. It also explains why cloves are considered a natural antibiotic. They help fight certain bacteria, such as Salmonella, Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Clostridium perfringens. These are bacteria that attack some parts of the intestine and are extremely difficult to kill with conventional antibiotics due to antibiotic resistance. The study was effective in fighting these bacteria and also helps fight some fungal infections. Clove water also helps improve healing. People who have difficulty healing wounds or who have type 2 diabetes can benefit from drinking clove water daily. It is an antioxidant solution and helps fight free radicals that prevent healing. Another benefit is that clove water also helps increase immunity and the body's defense cells, which is why it also helps in the healing process. I have already made a video about the benefits of cloves, and there I mentioned a study about the effectiveness of clove tea for people who have undergone surgery. In some countries, doctors ask their patients to drink clove tea to promote faster healing. Clove water also has a muscle relaxing effect because it is analgesic and anti-inflammatory. If you drink it at night, before going to bed, as a light tea, you will have an excellent night's sleep. Clove water also improves bone health. A study conducted on animals showed excellent results in relation to the improvement of osteoporosis with the use of clove components. The study also showed an improvement in bone density. Furthermore, cloves are rich in manganese, an important mineral for bone health. And here's a fun fact for those of you who like tea. Did you know that if you choose any tea to drink, it doesn't have to be just clove tea? Every day, 3 times a day, you can reduce your risk of hip fracture by 33%. This is according to a study published in the scientific journal of Clinical Nutrition. Scientists evaluated the health of about 1,200 women aged around 70. Each participant answered questions about their tea consumption habits and was closely monitored by researchers for a period of 10 years. During the study, 288 women fell and broke a bone. Almost half of them suffered hip fractures. The results showed that women who drank 3 or more cups of tea a day were 30% less likely to have a fractured bone compared to those who drank less than 1 cup of tea a week. So if you can, swap coffee for tea. you'll have much stronger bones because it's been proven that caffeine causes bone demineralization, making them weaker and more susceptible to fractures. What about you? Do you usually drink tea every day? Tell me about your favorite tea in the comments. Well, let's move on. Another study also reported the effectiveness of clove water in fighting cancer cells. Cloves help fight cancer. A study conducted in test tubes showed that clove extract was responsible for preventing the growth of cancer cells and killing some of them. In another study with similar results, clove oil was responsible for killing 80% of cancer cells. Now, we can't just count on it to treat cancer. Combining natural actions with science helps in the response of the treatment. Talk to your doctor about combining natural tools if you are undergoing cancer treatments, like me. For those who don't know my story and my victory over cancer, check out my playlist that I'm going to leave here for you. Another benefit is that clove water helps control diarrhea and also aids digestion. That's right, it helps the stomach and intestines function. It helps reduce flatulence. Ideally, in this case, tea or clove water should be taken after meals. Clove water also improves liver health. Some studies show that the use of essential oil found in cloves can help reduce liver disease. First, a study that fed rats with liver disease with essential oil resulted in improved liver function, decreased oxidative stress, and reduced inflammation. Another study showed that there was an improvement in liver cirrhosis and a reduction in liver scarring. There are still few studies involving humans. Now, pay attention. There is a lot of fake news about clove water on the internet. They say it helps you lose weight. I even found a website with a powerful name called For the Test, giving the impression that it informs and brings the truth. But it published an article about clove water, and I went to look deeper into the recipe, and it had a lot of ingredients except the cloves. Can you believe it? Let's look at the myths and truths about clove water. Does it improve sleep? True. Does it help you lose weight? Myth. Does it reduce blood sugar? Myth. Can it reduce hepatic steatosis? True. A scientific study published in the Virtual Library of the University of São Paulo, USP, investigated the effects of cloves on mice fed a high-fat diet. The mice were divided into 4 groups: standard diet with cloves, high-fat diet, meaning with lots of fat, and high-fat diet with cloves. And then, do you know what happened? Cloves did not prevent weight gain or increased body fat in mice on a high-fat diet, meaning the mice that ate more fat. Cloves increased the amount of beneficial bacteria in the gut microbiota. Cloves protected the liver from fat accumulation in mice on a high-fat diet. However, cloves did not improve the metabolism of sugar, glycidic, and fat, lipidic, in the blood. So, my dears, the power of clove water for the intestines to reduce liver fat is unquestionable. Now, regarding the effect of reducing blood sugar, there are few studies proving this fact. On the internet, it is easy to find information that clove water reduces blood sugar, but scientifically, in published articles, I did not find this reference, and worse, I found important studies, such as the one I mentioned to you, published in the USP directory, which through research and data did not verify the reduction of blood sugar in rats. Therefore, do not count on this benefit, because we have no proof. Another observation to make about clove water is that it is a powerful antioxidant solution, as I have already mentioned to you. Antioxidants promote the elimination of free radicals, which cause inflammation in the body as a whole. This benefit can treat high blood sugar levels caused by an inflamed pancreas. By reducing inflammation in the body, insulin levels can improve and help reduce circulating sugar. However, this can happen if the patient follows a balanced diet full of fiber. So how do you make clove water? You will need 10 grams of cloves and 1 liter of boiling water. Method of preparation. Add the 10 grams of cloves to the boiling water and let it boil for another 15 minutes. Then let the tea cool and drink it in 3 portions throughout the day. Who should not use it? Pregnant and lactating women should not drink it daily without consulting their doctor. It is important to note that although clove water is very good for your health, excess can cause gastritis, nausea, and allergies. And finally, this video is not a substitute for a medical consultation or continuous medication. Did you like this content? So don't forget to comment and share. Big kiss. See you next time.